Chevy Suburban. First thing you need to do is remove your center cap, 22 millimeters. Underneath your lug nuts, 22 millimeters as well. Come to your caliper, you have two number 13s. One there, one at the bottom. You want to remove those. Okay, once you remove your two number 13s, just want to take off your caliper and compress the piston. Alright, we removed our caliper, compressed our piston, removed our old brake pad. Just take note of where the wear strip is. Wear strip. If you reinstall your new pad, you just want to make sure your wear strip's down there at the bottom, same place the old one was. Put your new pads on, and put back on our caliper now. Okay, I reinstalled my caliper. Put back in my two number 13s. One on top right there. And the one on bottom down there. Put back on your tire. Pump your brake pad. Your brake pedal. Make sure it tightens up before you move your vehicle. And that's the Chevy Suburban rear brake pad replacement. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.